Do you ever feel like your lead flow is stuck on a slow drip? The phone's not ringing, your call board's empty, and meanwhile, big dogs in town are swimming in book jobs. You see their trucks absolutely everywhere. It's not luck, it's strategy. Bigger contractors, they don't just bet on one lead source. Instead, they've got 5 to 10 marketing channels that are dripping in steady calls every single day. After working with over 500 local contractors, I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't when it comes to getting your phone ringing off the hook. In this video, we're going to go over 3 things. Number 1, how to pick the most profitable marketing channels. Number 2, what sequence to build them out in. And number 3, how one marketing channel is going to change absolutely everything in your business. This is the blueprint that I've seen service businesses use to go from $0 to $10 million. So let's go. Most companies start the same. Referrals from some property managers, builders, maybe it's a warranty company. Basically, there's one key relationship, and this is your first marketing channel. This is probably enough to keep 1 or 2 techs busy. Maybe this is how you started working for yourself, but the margins aren't great. Sometimes you have to wait to get paid, and eventually you want a little bit more control and you want your own customers. Enter in your second marketing channel, which is usually lead vendors. This is Angi, Thumbtack, Home Advisor. Why wait for marketing to work? You can get unlimited leads in 30 days. You only pay for calls. Sounds great, right? Not for long. You've just run headfirst into the land of low quality leads, price shoppers, competing with 5 other contractors to land a job. I saw on Reddit, one guy said, Angi leads are a scam. I call, they don't even remember filling out the form. It's a race to the bottom, which makes it extremely difficult for you to grow. But you're ambitious, you're determined. So you start your third marketing channel, which is local organic marketing. You try getting your name out there with BNI groups, your local chamber of commerce, local Facebook groups, Little League sponsorships, door knockers, knocking on doors, door hangers. It works, kinda, but it's slow and inconsistent. It's a lot of hustle for a few calls. And you know deep down that it's going to be absolutely impossible for you to scale your business this way. Most companies that I've spoken to has spent years with these 3 marketing channels that I've spoken about, and they're basically playing business on hard mode. But if they don't give up and they keep hustling, after some time, they can start pushing around $1 million in revenue. And this is really where it's time to play smart, because with the right moves, everything can change. Because these companies finally have some funds to invest in real marketing. The next step is to lock in your Google Maps rankings, which is your 4th marketing channel. Why Google Maps? It is the only channel that delivers high quality leads, high volume of leads at a low cost. Here are the stats. 46% of all searches have a local intent, and in those searches, 93% of them show the map. And of those, 80% of those local searches will call or visit the company. These are not thinking about it leads. These are, I've got a busted pipe, I've got a broken AC, and these guys have a phone in their hand. Every single time I dig into the CRM data, Service Titan, House Call Pro, Google Maps is the top performer by far. And unlike other marketing you may have done up until this point, this is a marketing asset. It's working for your business in the background on autopilot, just pulling in calls month after month. Once you've got Google Maps dialed into your business, everything changes. What was once a massive struggle trying to find new customers starts happening automatically. And once you have a steady stream of new customers, those customers come back, they refer others, your trucks get seen. One marketing channel fuels the growth of your customer base, which gives you the call volume to start building out your team. Growth shifts from how do we get calls to how do we find good people and how can we scale even faster. And if you think about it, the one thing that was missing from your business up until now was one reliable marketing channel. But now that you have it, it's time to reinvest and get a couple more working for you. The next channels that I've seen really work well for local service businesses are direct mail, paid online advertising. So this is pay-per-click, Meta, traditional media, billboards, TV, radio, and really everything else. When I say everything else, I mean it. The truth is, all marketing works if you're executing properly. You've just got to get that first marketing channel in place. And my strong recommendation is that be Google Maps. What are the biggest issues that I see companies run into? Number 1, relying on shared leads. Number 2, not locking in that first reliable marketing channel. And number 3, missing out on maps visibility, even when other stuff is working. So if any of those sound like you, I'd love to help. Hit the link in the description. We'll run a free audit for you and build out your roadmap to more calls. See you next time.